Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Thanks to all our existing subscribers and viewers for making our channel grow. Also, warm welcome to all new viewers and prospective subscribers of our channel. Let's move to today's captioned subject. I am sure you have heard a lot of amazing things about Kolkata's Durga Puja which prompted you to visit during this euphoria. You might know that Durga Puja is the most celebrated festival in West Bengal and particularly in Kolkata in honor of Goddess Durga during the period of Navratri. It is celebrated for 10 days. However, starting from the 6th day until the 9th day, the pandals with grand idols of Goddess Durga are open for visitors. This part of the country seems illuminated from the sky as the city is bathed in lights. One who enters Kolkata by air in this period will experience this beauty, and this is the way the city of joy Kolkata will welcome you. Durga Puja is a way of life for the locals, and one must visit Kolkata during the puja to experience it firsthand. From households to residential complexes to the neighborhoods, everyone gets ready to welcome Ma Durga in their own way. During this festival, people of all ages celebrate in their own way. It may be by pandal hopping, meeting old friends, family get-together, doing puja-related work of the society, eating out in restaurants, enjoying street foods, having new clothes, love in the air, earning little more for livelihood, etc. The main charm of Durga Puja starts with Mahalaya and it ends with Visarjan of Durga Puja. Nowadays, the state government organizes Durga Puja Carnival, which showcases some of the best idols of Kolkata and surroundings through a grand process of Ma Durga Visarjan. It usually happens 2-3 days after the Vijaya Dashami. It is like Rio Carnival organized in Brazil. In December 2021, UNESCO included Kolkata's Durga Puja in its list of intangible cultural heritage. Around 3000 Durga Puja held in Kolkata, different types of Durga Puja organized in Kolkata, be it traditional or modern. Durga Puja organized in different families also, which are known in Bengali as Bonedi Barir Pujo. Bonedi Bari is the Bengali for heritage houses mostly present in North Kolkata, where the families still continue the tradition of arranging a Durga Puja festival. Theme-based Durga Puja are organized in many places of Kolkata, which adds a different flavor to it. Idol of Goddess Durga kept in pandals, which varies in style, and numerous different themes can be seen during this festival. Being a Kolkata resident, I invite every one of you to visit Kolkata during Durga Puja at least once in your lifetime. And if you visit, don't forget to share your experience in the comment box. Durga Puja usually happens in the season of autumn, which is known as Ashwin month as per Bengali calendar. The season is usually unpredictable. A day in this season may start with a sunny morning, becomes very hot during noon, but may end up with unwanted shower in the evening. It may happen, planning might not work in this situation, but it is the enthusiasm, craziness and positivity of the crowd that leads them to the pandals every day during this grand festival. From 4 PM to 12 AM every day during Durga Puja, major pandals in Kolkata remain crowded. In order to avoid heavy crowd, it is best to hop pandals during 1 AM to 6 AM or during daytime. Otherwise, long queue outside pandals may take taste of your patience. Kolkata is safe at night during Durga Puja festival. During this festival, many roads become one-way and proper care needs to be taken while visiting the pandals. Parking also may not be in front of pandals, so be mentally prepared. Don't panic as I told some negative things. Local people of Kolkata and Kolkata Police Force are very helpful and they are ready to assist you whenever you need. Now, it is best to experience Kolkata Durga Puja by walking and using public transport. We consider two railway stations as gateway to Kolkata. These are Howrah and Shialda. We divide entire Kolkata Durga Puja in 5 parts: Kolkata South, Kolkata North and Central, Kolkata South Suburban, Kolkata Port Area and Kolkata Southwest. Now, Kolkata Police publishes Durga Puja guide maps every year for these areas, and the same is uploaded in their Facebook page and website. The hard copy of the map is also distributed during the festival days. Now, to visit Durga Puja festival of these areas, we need some starting point. We consider starting points as follows: Kolkata South, Rabindra Sadan or Excite Crossing. For Kolkata North and Central, Sam Bazar 5-point crossing. For Kolkata South Suburban area, starting point will be Jadavpur. For Kolkata Port area, starting point will be Khidirpur. For Kolkata Southwest, the starting point will be Behala Chaurasta. Now, as I told you, we will visit the puja pandals following public transport. Now, our two main stations are Howrah and Shialda railway station. So, for south, we are considering Excite Crossing or Rabindra Sadan as our starting point. So from Howrah, we will get some buses that come to Rabindra Sadan. They are E1, S5, S10A, 212, S107, AC6, AC12, AC5, AC24. From Shialda, you can come to Rabindra Sadan by different buses like Dhulagor Shatragachi, C36, 3C by 1, 230, S45 and 227. You will get the bus nearby railway station. Now, as you can see in this map, Google map, we are starting from Excite Crossing or Rabindra Sadan metro station. From Excite Crossing, we will move southwards and our final ending point will be Netaji Bhavan metro station. In the way, we will find different Durga Pujas of this area like DN Mitro Square Sarbojanin, Chandranath Chatterjee Street Sarbojanin, Bhawanipur 75 Palli, 76 Palli and Agradut Udaya Shangha. The Google Map link for the same is shared in the description box. It will be around 2 km walk from Excite Crossing. Now from Netaji Bhavan metro station, we will again move southwards and our final destination will be Hajra Park Durga Puja area, which is in Hajra Crossing, as you can see in this map. And as the last one I told, the Google Map link for the same is provided here. You can consult for the same. Okay, now let's see. Following Ashutosh Mukherjee Road, we will see these pujas like Bhawanipur Shadin Shangha, 68 Palli Durga Puja, Priyanath Mallik Road, Abashar Durga Puja, Golmat Durga Puja, Bakul Bagan Durga Utsav, Rupchand Mukherjee Lane Durga Puja, Muktodol Durga Puja, and finally Hajra Park Durga Puja. This will be approximately 3 km walking. Now from Hajra Crossing, we will again move southwards and on the way we can see Durga Pujas of Forward Club, Shangha Shri, Shahajatri, 64 Palli, and we will come to Rashbihari Crossing. From Rashbihari Crossing, we will move rightwards, that is on the western side, and we will see the Durga Pujas of Badamtala Ashar Shangha, 66 Palli Durga Puja Pandal, Nepal Bhattacharya Street Durga Puja. After viewing these pujas, we will move again northwards and will go to Kalighat Milan Sangha Durga Puja. After completing these Durga Pujas, we will take any public transport from there like auto or bus that comes to Rajbihari Crossing, and we will end here in Rajbihari Crossing. Now while visiting South Kolkata Durga Pujas, if we are in Rajbihari Crossing area, then we have three different directions to go from there. First we will go to the western side. On the western side there comes Chetla area, and here our first destination will be Chetla Sarbosadharoner Durgotsav, and after that we will visit one of the big budget pujas of this area, Chetla Agrani Club. Moving to the western side, we will find Durga Puja of Alipur Sarbojanin, Kolahal Goshti and Chetla Alapi. Then we will again move southwards and we will reach New Alipur Shuruchi Sangho Durga Puja. After visiting Shuruchi Sangho Durga Puja, we will again move towards east, and we will do one thing. We will take any public transport that goes to Rabindra Sarovar metro station. We will get down at Rabindra Sarovar metro station, and there are three very good Durga Pujas of Modi Ali Club, Shiv Mandir Sarvajanin Durga Puja and Lake Youth Corner. After visiting these pujas, we will come to Rabindra Sarovar metro station. After Rabindra Sarovar metro station, we will take any public transport and move to Toliganj metro station, which is also known as Mahanayak Uttam Kumar metro station. From Mahanayak Uttam Kumar metro station, we will move towards the southeast direction and we will find Durga Pujas like Graham's Land, Regent Colony, Ashoknagar Sarbojanin, Toliganj Purbachal Club, and we will finally reach Netaji Nagar area, which is in Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Road, which is popularly known as NSC Road. In Netaji Nagar area, we will find pujas like Netaji Jatiyo Seva Dal, Netaji Nagar Sarbojanin, Azadgarh Bastuhara Samiti. After visiting these Durga Pujas, we will again move towards east and will go to Naktala area, and we will find some big budget pujas like Naktala Udayan Sangho Club, Nobodoy Club and Naktala Pollimongol Samiti. While we will exit after visiting Naktala Udayan Sangho Club, we will find the Durga Puja of Adi Naktala Sarbojanin Durgotsav Committee. Now from Rajbihari Crossing, we will move towards eastern side and we will go towards Goriahat Crossing following Rajbihari Avenue. In this zone, our first puja will be Rajbihari Shurit Sangho Club on the right hand side. After that, we will go to Golden Arrow Club, which is situated in Tara Road. After that, we will go to Adi Lekpolli Club Durga Puja, and after completing all these three, we will move to Deshopriyo Park area, moving further to the east. Deshopriyo Park is a very popular Durga Puja in Kolkata and a big budget Durga Puja club. After visiting this puja, we will move to Tridhara Sammilani, which is also a big budget puja. After visiting Tridhara Sammilani, we will come to Baliganj Cultural Association Samajsevi Sangho. These two Durga Pujas. These are also famous pujas in South Kolkata. Again we will move towards Goriahat and to the eastern side. We will go to Hindustan Park Sarbojanin Durga Puja, which is near Goriahat Crossing, and after that we will go straight to Goriahat Crossing. Now from Goriahat Crossing we are going further to the east, and in this time our first puja will be Kosba R.K. Chatterjee Road, Odhibashi Brindo, which is near Kosba Post Office. After visiting this puja, we will go to Boshpukur area, moving further to the east, and some of the best pujas of these areas are Boshpukur Talbagan Sarbojanin, Boshpukur Shitala Mondir, Rajdanga Nobodoy Sangho. After visiting these three pujas, we will come to Acropolis Mall, a very popular place in this area, and we'll ask anybody how to go to Shakti Shango Club's Durga Puja. Then following local people, we will move to Shakti Shango Club Durga Puja. After visiting Shakti Shango Club Durga Puja, we will go towards southwest and go to Dhakuria and Selimpur area in South Kolkata. We will go to Selimpur Polli Durga Puja Pandal, and from there again moving towards west, we will go to Jodhpur Park Durga Puja 95 Palli Association and move towards north. And while moving, we will find Babu Bagan Club Durga Puja and Bandhav Sammiloni Durga Puja, which is in Dhakuria area in South Kolkata. From Dhakuria, we will come back to Goriyahat crossing once again. Now from Goriyahat crossing, we will move towards north, and our first puja on the left hand side will be Shinghi Park Durga Puja. After visiting Shinghi Park Durga Puja, we will go to Hindustan Club Durga Puja of Goriyahat. After visiting these two big budget pujas, we will come to the opposite side of the road and will visit Ekdalia Evergreen Club Durga Puja. While exiting from this Durga Puja, we will find Durga Puja of Falguni Shango, and we will move towards the eastern side and will go to Baliganj Ekushpalli Durga Puja. After visiting Baliganj Ekushpalli, we will move to southeast. We will move towards northeast direction and find Adi Baliganj Durga Puja, and from there we will move straight to Park Circus 7 Point Crossing, as you can see in this Google map. Now once again we come back to Hajra Crossing in South Kolkata. From Hajra Crossing, we will move towards the northeastern side, and first we will see Baishpalli Club Durga Puja. After that, we will move little southwards and find Hajra Udayan Shanga Durga Puja. From there, we will take northeast direction and we will find one of the pujas in Kolkata, which is very famous with its traditional attire, and this is Maddox Square Durga Puja. The total distance of this road will be around 1.5 km. Now again from Rajbihari crossing, we will move towards south, towards Taliganj area, and the first puja we will find here is 27 Palli Park. After visiting 27 Palli Park, we will move again southwards and will find the puja of Pratapaditya Road, Trikon Park. After visiting this Trikon Park Durga Puja, we will again move southwards and will find Chotushkon Park Durga Puja Pandal. After visiting these pujas, we will move towards the eastern side and will find Vivek Shango, it will be Shevak Shango Durga Puja of Taliganj area. Now we are going to concentrate on Kolkata North and Kolkata Central Durga Pujas. So in this case, our starting point will be Shambazar 5 Point Crossing. In order to come to Shambazar 5 Point Crossing from Howrah, the buses are D28, AC40, Howrah Madhyamgram, AC54, Amtala OP Shambazar minibus 219/1, C28 30B/1. From Shialda, if we want to go to Shambazar 5 Point Crossing, some of the buses are Shatragachi Kolkata Station 3C/1, 34B, D28, 240, Kolkata Station Maloncho 227, 230, 3D and 30D. Now we are starting from Shambazar 5 Point Crossing. We will move towards southwest direction and our first Durga Puja will be Jagat Mukherjee Park. From Jagat Mukherjee Park, we will move towards north and will go to Bagbajar Sarbojanin Durga Puja. From Bagbajar Sarbojanin, we will go to southwest direction and our some of the pujas here will be Kumartuli Sarbojanin, Kumartuli Park Sarbojanin, Shobhabajar Sarbojanin, Ahiritola Sarbojanin, Ahiritola Jubok Brindo. And after visiting these pujas, we will come again towards north and we will find Shobhabajar Beniatola Durga Puja. From Shobhabajar Beniatola Durga Puja, we will move again towards east and we will finally arrive at Shobhabajar Metro Railway Station after visiting Shobhabajar Bortola Sarbojanin Durga Puja. Now from Shobhabajar Shutanuti Metro Station, we will move towards the eastern side and our first puja will be Shotodal Durga Puja. After visiting Shotodal, we will go to Shampukur Shanghotirtho Durga Puja, moving further east. Again we will move towards east and we will find some of the pujas of Hathibagan area, and those are Hathibagan Sarbojanin Durga Utsav and Hathibagan Nobin Polli. After visiting these pujas, we will move towards the north direction and we will find Shikdar Bagan Sadharan Durga Utsav. After moving from there, we will go towards north and will find Mohanbagan Barowari and Mohanbagan Sarbojanin Durga Puja. From there, we will move towards the western side and we will find Shampukur Adi Sarbojanin Durga Puja. After visiting this puja, we will move again towards the northern area and again when going towards Shambajar 5 Point Crossing, we will find Bidhan Sharoni Atlas Club Durga Puja. Now from Shambajar 5 Point Crossing, we will move towards Bidhannagar Road or Ultodanga Railway Station. In order to do this, we will move southwards and our first puja will be North Tridhara Durga Puja. After visiting North Tridhara Durga Puja, we will visit Nolin Sarkar Street Durga Puja and from there we will move towards the eastern side and find Gauri Beria Sarbojanin Durga Puja Upradarshani, which is just beside Gauri Beria flyover. After crossing the flyover, we will find Kobiraj Bagan Sarbojanin Durga Puja on the right hand side. After visiting Kobiraj Bagan, we will come again in the main road and just move to the opposite side of the road, that is on the northern side, and we will find pujas like Korbagan Sarbojanin, Ultodanga Jubo Brindo, Ultodanga Pollistri Durga Puja. After visiting these Durga Pujas, we will move towards Ultodanga Railway Station and we will find Telengabagan Sarbojanin Durga Puja ground. After visiting Telengabagan Durga Puja, we will find pujas like Dhor Bagan, Shurir Bagan and Shopnar Bagan, and finally we will move towards Ultodanga United Club Durga Puja, which is just very near to Ultodanga Railway Station or Bidhannagar Road Railway Station. From there we will visit Ultodanga Songrami Durga Puja on the eastern side. Now from Ultodanga Railway Station or Bidhannagar Road Railway Station, we will move towards Lake Town area, where some of the famous Durga Pujas are organized. From Ultodanga Underpass, we will move towards the northern side and our first puja will be Dakkhindari Playground and Dakkhindari Durga Puja. From visiting Dakkhindari Durga Puja, we will go to Golaghata Sammiloni Durga Puja. From there, we will follow the road of Eastern Metropolitan Bypass and we will go to Shribhumi Durga Puja Pandal of Lake Town. This is one of the very big budget Durga Pujas of Kolkata. After visiting Shribhumi, we will enter the Lake Town area and some of the best pujas happen in this area like Lake Town Odhibashi Brindo, Sri Polli Welfare Association, Lake Town Notun Polli Pradeep Shangho, and after visiting this, we will go towards north and will go to Patipukur Railway Quarters Durga Puja. From there, we will go to Lake Town Netaji Sporting Club and Lake Town Vivekananda Sporting Club. Now our destination is from Shambajar 5 Point Crossing to Patipukur Railway Quarters via Joshore Road. So we will take any public transport and go to Patipukur Railway Quarters area. From there we will start our journey for Durga Puja. We will move towards the north side and our first puja will be Boshak Bagan Sarbojanin Durgotsav. From there we will go to Jopur Byam Samiti, Bangur Avenue Protirod Bahini, Keshtopur Profullo Kanon Odhibashi Brindo, Mastardda Sriti Sangho. And after visiting all these pujas, we will go again towards north and will find the pujas of Baguiyati area, and the pujas are Relpukur United Club Durga Puja and Baguiyati Oshini Nagar Bandhu Mahal Club. Now from Shambazar 5-point crossing we are going straight away to Damdam Park area where some of the best pujas take place. These are Damdam Park Sarbojanin, Damdam Park Jubok Brindo, Damdam Park Torun Dol, Damdam Park Bharat Chakra and Damdam Park Torun Sangho. These are the big budget pujas of Damdam Park area. From Shambazar 5-point crossing we will take any public transport and come to Beleghata bypass in the Eastern Metropolitan bypass. From there we will go to Beleghata area Durga Pujas, move towards west and our first puja will be Beleghata Sandhani. From there we will go to some of the pujas like Beleghata Novomilan, Beleghata 33 Palli Adhibashi Brindo, Beleghata Shurit Club, Shura Polli, Shura Yubok Brindo and Gurudas Park Durga Puja. After visiting all these things we will move towards north and we will go to Kakurgachi area Durga Puja like Mitali Kakurgachi, Kakurgachi Jubok Brindo and come to Kakurgachi crossing. From Kakurgachi crossing we will move towards north and our first puja will be Kakurgachi Jubok Brindo. After visiting Kakurgachi Jubok Brindo we will come to Brindaban Matri Mandir area by any public transport and our pujas in this area will be Rammohan Sammilani, Brindaban Matri Mandir and then Kailash Bose Street. This is in Machua Bazar area in Kolkata. From there we will move towards north and this time our destination will be Chalta Bagan Durga Puja. After visiting Chalta Bagan Lohapotti and Chalta Bagan Sarbojanin, our next destination will be Ramdulal Sarkar Street Durga Puja, Azad Hind Bagh Sarbojanin, Bidon Street Sarbojanin, Goa Bagan Sharadotsav Sammilani, all in Bidhan Saroni area, and then last but not the least Kashi Boslen Sarbojanin Durga Puja. From Shambazar we will move towards northeast and our area of coverage will be Tala area, and here we will find some of the Durga Pujas like Sarkar Bagan Sammilito Sangho, Tala Barowari Durgotsav, Belgachia Sadharan Durgotsav and Tala Park Protoy Durga Puja. These are some of the big budget and crowd puller Durga Puja of this area. From Shambazar if we move towards north we will go to Boranagar area and from Boranagar bus stand some of the big pujas are Boranagar Netaji Colony Sarbojanin Durga Puja, Boranagar Netaji Colony Lowland Durga Puja and Nopara Dadabhai Sangho. Now from Shobhabazar metro station we will move towards north and move towards central Kolkata, and on the way we will see Durga Pujas of Durbar Mohila Samanvay Committee, Girish Park Sarbojanin Durgotsav, Torun Sporting Club, Vivekananda Sporting Club, Shimla Sporting Club, Shimla Byam Samiti, Jorashako 7 Polli, Chorbagan Sarbojanin, and we will arrive at Mahatma Gandhi Road Metro Railway Station and Mahatma Gandhi Road crossing. Now from Mahatma Gandhi Road crossing we will move further towards south and our destination will be first Muhammad Ali Park Durga Puja. After that we will go again to southeast region and our destination will be College Square Sarbojanin Durgotsav. From there again moving towards southeast we will have Odhibashi Brindo Kanaidhar Lane Durga Puja. Again moving towards south we will go to Santosh Mitra Square Durga Puja. Now we have to move towards northwest and we will find 47 Polli Jubok Brindo or 47 Polli Jubok Brindo Durga Puja. After visiting all these pujas, we will come to Central Metro Railway Station. Some more Durga Puja areas of Central Kolkata, starting from Park Circus 7 Point Crossing, are Park Circus Beniapukur United Puja Committee, Park Circus Uddipani, Ladies Park Durga Puja, 20 Polli Sarbojanin Durga Utsav, Anando Palit Road, Entali Udayan Shongo, and some more to mention are some of the pujas in Taltala area, Moulali area, and SN Banerjee Road and New Market area. Those all come under Central Kolkata. For South Suburban Durga Pujas, Jadavpur is the best place to start with. In order to come to Jadavpur from Howrah Railway Station, buses are AC1, AC5, E1, S5 and 212. If we come to Jadavpur from Shialdah, the best way to travel is by train. We will take train for Jadavpur from Shialdah South section. Those trains leave from platform number 10 to 14 and we have to depart at Jadavpur railway station. From Jadavpur railway station, we will move southwards, and this is the area which is called Santoshpur area, and some of the famous pujas of these areas are Santoshpur Trikon Park Durga Puja, Santoshpur Avenue South Polli Mangal Samiti and Santoshpur Lake Polli. After visiting these pujas, we will come back again to Jadavpur railway station. From Jadavpur railway station, we can go to Bagajatin railway station, and from Bagajatin railway station, we will start our Durga Puja journey of South Suburban section, and we will find the pujas of Bagajatin Torun Shongho, Bagajatin B O C Block Durga Puja Committee, Bagajatin Vivekananda Polli Sarbojanin Durgotsav. From there, we will move to eastern side and we will go to Vaishnav Ghata area where the pujas are of Vaishnav Ghata Patuli Jatra Shuru Shongho, then Patuli Central Club, Upanagori Sporting Club, Upanagori Sarbojanin. After visiting these pujas, we will come again to south west part, which is Goria region near Goria bus stand and Kavi Nazrul metro station. Some of the big budget pujas of these areas are Navadurga, that is 9 forms of Ma Durga, which is organized in Goria Mitali Shongo Durga Puja, and Kamdahori Purbopara Club, which organizes Pancho Durga Puja. In order to visit Port Area Durga Puja, our starting point is Khidirpur, and in order to arrive Khidirpur from Howrah, the buses are C37 Balikhal Khidirpur minibus, E4, AC52, S12D. If we try to come to Khidirpur from Shialdah railway station, the buses are 235, 227, 3D, 12 by 1. We will start from Khidirpur market and move towards south, and our first puja will be Khidirpur Venus Club Durga Puja in Monshatala lane. From there we will go to Khidirpur Pochishpolli Park Durga Puja, moving towards north. Again we will move towards western side and we will find 74 Polli Club Durga Puja. From 74 Polli Club we will move towards northwestern region and find Kobitirtho Park Sarbojanin Durga Puja. From there we will again move towards west and find 75 Polli Durga Puja. After visiting 75 Polli Durga Puja, we will move towards north and Khidirpur Naborag Durga Puja, Khidirpur Polli Sharodiya Durga Puja and Khidirpur Udayan Durga Puja we will see on the way. After visiting Khidirpur Udayan Durga Puja, we will go to southeast part and will visit 26 Polli Club Durga Puja and finally end our visit again at Khidirpur market. In order to visit Kolkata Southwestern Durga Puja, our starting point is Behala Chourasta. In order to visit Behala Chourasta from Howrah, buses are AC52, 7A, S12D. Again, in order to visit Behala Chourasta from Shialdah, the buses are S45, 235, M7K and 3D. First we will start for Kolkata Southwest from Mahanayak Uttam Kumar metro station or Taliganj metro station, and first we will visit Haridevpur area. Some of the best pujas are organized in Haridevpur area. So we will take an auto from Taliganj metro station and will depart at Karunamoyi bridge. From there we will move to the south and we will find the following Durga Pujas: Haridevpur 41 Palli Club, Haridevpur Vivekananda Park Athletic Club, Haridevpur Ajay Shanghati Club, Haridevpur New Sporting Club, Haridevpur Vivekananda Sporting Club, Haridevpur Adarsha Samiti Club and Haridevpur Navin Sathi Club. After visiting those Durga Pujas, we will again take an auto and move to the west towards Behala Chaurasta. From Behala Chaurasta we will move towards south and we will start with Behala Players Corner Durga Puja, which is organized just beside home of former Indian cricket captain Mr. Saurav Ganguly. From Borisha Player Corner Durga Puja we will go to Borisha Janakalyan Sangho Durga Puja, then Borisha Club Durga Puja, Borisha Sarbojanin Durga Puja, and further moving towards north we will see the pujas of Borisha Shobuj Sathi Club, Borisha Topobon, Borisha Udayanpalli, State Bank Park, and move to Thakurpukur area where we will find some pujas like Thakurpukur Vivekananda Palli Club and some more. Now from Behala Chaurasta area we will move towards north and we will see the Durga Pujas of Dakshinpalli Youth Sporting Club, Behala Pragati Sangho Durga Puja, Behala Bijoyi Sangho, Trishakti Sangho, 11 Palli Club and Behala Devdaru Phatak near Behala 14 number bus stand. From Behala 14 number bus stand we will move towards east and we will see the following Durga Pujas: Behala Nutan Sangho, Behala Friends, Behala Nutan Dol, Nandona Jubo Sangho, Chonditala Sarbojanin Durga Puja, Behala Adarsha Palli. Then we will move towards north and find Behala Budoshiptala Janakalyan Sangho Durga Puja. Again we will move towards northwest and we will find Durga Puja of Behala Untrish Palli, and again in the main road we will find Durga Puja of Uttar Haldarpara Club. From Behala 14 number bus stand we will move towards west and on the way we will find Durga Pujas of Behala Panchanantala Mitali Sangho, Behala Mukul Sangho Club. From there we will move towards north and we will find Puja of Behala Club Sarbojanin. From Behala Club Sarbojanin again we will move towards main road towards east and we will find Puja of Behala Jatiyo Sangho. From there we will come to Behala police station in the main road. If you are new to Kolkata, then it may become very difficult for you to understand this puja without even seeing it for the first time. That is why the Google Maps which we have shown in this video, the links of all these maps are available in the description. Okay, so in order, if you need to visit puja of any particular area, you just click on the map and the map will open and you just follow the directions given there, and I think there will not be any issue for you to visit any Durga Puja of Kolkata mentioned here in this video. Thank you so much and happy Durga Puja to all of you. If you arrive Kolkata a little earlier before the Durga Puja begins, you must visit Kumartuli in Kolkata. This is where all the idols are made. You will see the unbelievably talented artists relentlessly applying the finishing touches on their idols. It is always better to walk down different streets of Kolkata and explore Durga Puja festival. Kolkata is a heaven for foodies and it often wins the top spot for best street food in India. So recharge your body regularly, walk, burn your calories and add them back with delicacies like fuchka, jhalmuri, ghugni, egg roll, mutton roll, fish fry, noodles, biryani, etc. You can also try international cuisine in Peter Cat, Barbecue Nation, Marco Polo, Hatari, mainland China, Tungfeng and many others. Apart from the place I mentioned, you will get the best street food all over Kolkata. Some of the best rituals you can experience in Durga Puja festival are Kolabou Snan or Novopotrika Snan on 7th day, Pushpanjali Kumari Puja Shandi Puja on 8th day, Maha Aarti and Dhunuchi Nach on 9th day, Boron Bisharjan and Shidur Khela on 10th day. There is the beautiful sound of dhaki that echo in the air during this festival. There is music on loudspeaker, constant honking in the streets of Kolkata due to traffic jam. When you are in Kolkata, you will experience all that and more in one cacophonous package. With all these notes, we are ending our guide to Kolkata Durga Puja festival. Stay fit, happy and healthy. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.